And, my studio corner, my mini studio here, is not done yet. I'm still in the process of decorating this part. Right now, I just put up there a piece of cloth and some fake leaves, but I want to do it. I want to do something more. I want to leave the dark brown rectangular area in the middle to be used as a sort of a green screen in some of the videos. And I have some plastic plants, a lot of plastic plants that I used to use for teaching aquarium design, plant layout and that stuff. But I think I can use one or two pieces as an accent somewhere up there. And also I cannot do a recording this morning because several meters down from me is a construction going on, and it can get quite noisy at some periods, drilling and hammering and everything. So there, you might be able to hear the drill. Therefore, I'll just enjoy this morning fixing up the corner, and I hope I can finish it within the day. So by tomorrow I'll try to wake up very early and try to record the first lesson for the Arabic alphabet.